So if possible, you can attend our workshop at any of these locations. Fine. Or you can join us for the books, more shortcut, any, all the best.
Welcome in. Okay, there are a lot of questions I would recommend. I'll start with Junaid. Top college in CMAT and which college from. Okay, Junaid, it's a very subjective question, to be frank, because for me it was only either JB or Sydenham. I didn't wanted to go down before that. So, and it depends from person to person. If you're okay to get into Wellingers or KG Somaya, then it's good. It's as per your choice. So according to me, it's from CMAT only JB and Sydenham, nothing else. Oh my god, there's so many. Just a second. Junaid also at CMAT first attempt में clear हो जाता है क्या means top college मिल जाता है. Junaid, honestly speaking, this was my first attempt in CMAT and you know the result. Last year I had not given CMAT. I was relying only on CET last year. But guys, I would recommend give CMAT as well. Don't just rely on CET. Last year I had thought like my chances of getting into JB or Sydenham would be higher through CMAT just for the sake of GK. Last year I was very scared about the fact like how would I prepare for GK. But this particular year, it was only because of GK that I got into JB. Push, I am not able to say your pura name, but your question is, yeah. I've just started preparing for CMAT. Is 2 months sufficient time? I would say it isn't. But still, if you have only 2 months, start preparing from today only. As soon as after this workshop ends, just start getting in and devote at least 4 to 5 hours a day. I would recommend. I know it is a bit onerous for you guys. It was onerous for me as well. But if you're getting the results, then what's sacrificing all the things for 2 months? It's okay. When will CMAT form come? I don't know. Yeah, these government guys, even I hate them. It was supposed to come in the month of January, like first or second week of January. Mostly it comes at that time only, but this year it hasn't come. We need this Excel sheet. As I told you, this isn't mine. Like I'm not able to find mine actually. It was in my old laptop, and due to some technical reasons, I had to format it. So all the data is gone. This was one of the person who had contacted me over LinkedIn. He sent me that. So I just use his to show you like how you can do it. Thanks, Junaid. Abhishek not audible. Sir, link GK में मिलेगा. Which link, Junaid? For Lucid? Actually, current affairs can be asked from how much back period. Okay, Yash, I used to do it for the last 1 year. Like उससे ज़्यादा मेरे अंदर ताकत नहीं थी उतना पढ़ने की. So as far as you can go, just go. Like people recommend just to study for 6 months, but I would say on the safer side, go for 1 year. And because उससे इतने सारे questions बन जाएंगे ना तुम्हारे पास time नहीं रहेगा उससे पीछे जाने का. Start from the backward, like अभी Jan चल रहा है ना, so December का पहले पढ़ो, November का पढ़ो, September का पढ़ो, उससे questions frame करो कि मतलब दिस पर्टिकुलर करंट अफेयर, जैसे रशिया के साथ अगर कोई डील हुई है तो रशिया के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ो, उसका प्रेसिडेंट कौन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है, उसका कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स है क्या रशिया के बारे में जो मुझे पता होने चाहिए. तो मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ दोस थिंग्स एंड ऐसे ही तुम्हारा नॉलेज बढ़ेगा एंड उसमें से कहीं ना कहीं तुम ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट कर पाओगे इन द रियल एग्जाम सिनेरियो. सर डिड मिंट हेल्प? ऑनेस्टली मैं इतना वो नहीं पढ़ता था न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड ऑल. Current affairs, I just used to rely on the compendiums which were given to me. The compendiums are such prepared by the institute that all the important information which is related to that particular month is mentioned on them. I'm not an ardent reader. So I didn't used to read newspapers much. Please recommend Karan YouTube channels for GK. I guess CK seating in themselves have quite a lot of information. Otherwise, you can directly search on YouTube like important topics for GK for CMAT and you'll get a hell lot of videos. Or you can get in touch with me. I'll update you on the same. Nazmi, I'm not able to see your name, sorry properly. My percentile in CMAT was 99.96, and in particular in GK, I had scored around, I don't, it was 99.9 plus, something like that only. Because the GK section was such disastrous, like even if you had solved 18 to 19 questions correct, you would have crossed 99.5 plus for sure. Is CMAT quant LR same? हाँ. Hello, can you guys hear me? Oh, so I'm so sorry, guys. Like I didn't address to this particular fact. Oh, just please, jot down your questions once again. I'm really sorry. There is some issue over here. I'll address to Sarvesh. I think he's a bit desperate about this. How to prepare for GK for tests. Honestly, Sarvesh, sorry, I'm not the right person to contact for because I had not appeared for tests. So I didn't look in that fact key. How can I prepare? Yes, Nazmi JBMS accept CMAT. Okay, syllabus of GK. There is no particular syllabus of GK, Sarvesh. Sorry, Rohit. As I said, you need to analyze those particular topics which you are coming in the last 10 or 15 years, the major chunk which I had shown in the PPT. I used to prepare from that only. There's no particular syllabus to be asked for sure कि मतलब इसमें से ही question आएगा. यही तो बात है CMAT की. I have been preparing for particularly GK. I had been preparing from the month of September, October. I started preparing from that time. Along with my preparation for CAT, I didn't care much about the rest of the three sections because it was being prepared with the rest of the exams. So I solely focused on GK for CMAT from the month of September, October. Okay. Aniket, I addressed the same question, CMAT. And for the rest of the three sections, I prepared only in the last month. Like it was, I need to just brush it on it. Like from this after SNAP, there's a quite break in CMAT. So I didn't touch the rest of the subjects for around 30 days or so. So I just brushed after those 30 days when the dates were near, and that's it. Only for GK, I was continuously preparing. Book name, I guess, Nazmi, you are talking about Lucent GK, LUCENT. Yeah. Yeah, Shreya, there is negative marking of 0.25%, but you need to take that risk. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to get a good percentile. If you are not aiming for JB or SIDNAM, then don't take that risk. Then you can, I would recommend, okay, then go only for the questions which you are pretty sure of. Like if you are, there's a college in Chennai which accepts CMAT or KJSMI or something, then you can not take that risk of taking those tukka. But if you want to get into a tier 1 college JB and SIDNAM only, then I guess it would be needed. Depends on the day of the exam. Like if you are able to answer around 16, 17 questions out of those 25 for sure, then I won't recommend. Don't go for it. But if you're only able to solve around 10 or 11 questions, then you need to, because otherwise there's no chance. Because it's simply for the fact, like if you address only 10 of 11 questions and even you get it right, you're not going to get into JB. Like if your dream college is only getting into JB, So attempting only 10 or 11 questions doesn't make any sense. तो तुम्हारा वैसे भी नहीं होने वाला है. So it's better take that risk, and हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. So I'm not saying it's only because of luck I got into the college. There was hard work from my side as well. Only that hard work paid off in eliminating those options. So that's the thing. That's where the hard work's main comes into play. What about this? I replied, guys, I'm not quite adept about this because I've not appeared for the same. You're welcome, Weber. I'll be addressing everyone's question, don't worry. How much months had taken for CMAT preparation? Anikita answered that. How many questions you attempted? For English, LR and quants, I had attempted all. For GK, I had around attempted, I don't remember, but 2021, I had left around 4 questions because for those particular questions, I was not able to eliminate the options as well. So the probability boils down to 0 over there for me. So that's why I left those questions. Even if I would be able to attempt one particular option, then I would have thought of taking the risk. But I wasn't, so I just left it. From where we'll get GK PDF for data? Ram, I would say like the CET first address the CET King materials which we have provided to you, either videos or the PDF format, and then you can refer to other sources as well, like YouTube or the PDFs which are available online. Ankush, if only 4 hours you find it only. I found it 4 hours to be training from my side only for specifically only for GK. So I used to find it training, but it's good if you are finding 4 hours to be, a very small amount. If you could devote much more time, it's totally advisable and appreciated. For more hours, like I used to, as I said, I used to divide it in the ratio of 3:2. So it's totally depend upon you. Like if you're finding it very intriguing, you're a person who finds interest in learning more about the history and the current affairs, then it's good, no? Then devote as much as time you can. It's for your betterment only. Okay, how to prepare for quantitative aptitude, Gupta? I'll be coming on it in the upcoming workshops. I'll be discussing each of the topics. How to start study? Anuj, I would say GK, I discussed it today. Like this is the way. First of all, start with analysis. That's the first thing, and from there you'll come to a direction like which all topics to address to and how to go move forward. Shreya, apart from CMAT, you can rely mostly on CET. People also get in through CAT and ZAT, but there are rarely any few of them. Mostly it is CMAT or CET. Like looking at the current batch, it is CMAT or CET. Ram, get in touch with me in personal. I'll give you more sources if you want, apart from seating if you want. Do we need to fill the form? See, KJ Somaya requires you to fill the form, whereas for Sydenham and JVMS, no, you don't need to. It is after the CET only with the cap round. I'm also become graduate and my quant is terrible. Any advice? Actually, I'm not able to see your full name, so sorry. What I would recommend is I belong to the same category as of yours, but you have to generate some interest. That's the only option. Try understanding what was the reason why this formula or this thing came up. Then you'll automatically, you'll generate some kind of interest in that particular topic. Like that's the main reason why I wasn't able to perform well in CAT, because even my quants was not that great. I had a touch in that, I wouldn't say that, but it wasn't that great as well. But CMAT and all of these CET exams requires you to have only a basic knowledge of the same. So it's okay if you are not exceptionally well in that, but only if you have a basic knowledge, it's okay for CMAT and CET. So just understand the basics, but it shouldn't be the case like you're not understanding why this problem is solved in that particular way. After, I'll come to that in the quants session. Anikita answered that. Ankush, studying on, okay, this is done, they're repeating. Lucent PDF, you'll get it on website. You just type download Lucent PDF, Lucent GK PDF for free, and you'll get it the first one only. Syllabus of GK I had covered. Do we need to fill form? Okay. Oh, okay, Arshad, if you're not able to find it over web, just ping me on WhatsApp. I'll also write the message again or in the chat box, and I'll forward my details over there. Current affairs किधर से करे? Current affairs, the compendium which is provided to you guys through CTK. That would be a better resource. Yeah, Nazmi, the questions are getting repeated, I guess. Marathi आहे का भाव? Sorry, I'm not a Maharashtrian. I don't understand Marathi. Do we need to fill form for college before the CMAT exam? Yeah, address to it. Junaid, I'll be addressing that particular point in the quants lecture. Not lecture, it would be a small discussion only. Out of 25, I would recommend a good number would be 18 to 20 with around 90-95% accuracy. I'm sure you might be thinking ki if you are smart guessing the rest of the 10 questions, how can you be sure about your accuracy? That's where the option elimination comes in. And if you are getting only two options in the end, then your accuracy would turn out. Don't worry. Harsh, Rishikesh, I guess. Please repeat once again. Like which questions you want me to address to? Please write in the chat box. Will be, I guess it's addressed. Sir, is there any negative? Yeah, it is negative. Jayesh, like there is no specific GK strategy or so which I can say. That's only the way which you understand the topic and address the questions. So that is the only thing. Like attempting the questions, that's the major point I would say. Nothing else. Like कितना पढ़ोगे यार? एक point होता है जितना तुम भी पक जाओगे GK पढ़ के, and that happened with me. So जितना पढ़ रहे हो ना, but make sure you are very adept with whatever you have learned. You know whatever the topics which you have covered, you know in and out of that particular thing. So वो होना चाहिए तुम्हारा. I know it's not practically possible to learn the entire GK. It's such a vast topic. Like how can you cover it? I guess मैंने भी जो पूरा last year पढ़ा था, I guess hardly मैंने 10% of the entire GK पढ़ा रहेगा. But इतना जो पढ़ा था, I was sure about it. Junaid, please attempt the quants or the workshop. I'll address your question over there. Oh, Pranita, I'm so sorry I missed your question. Can you please type into the chat box? There are so many. Vedant, I guess, sir is the level of. First of all, don't call me sir, yeah. Call me Aditya only. I'm just like you guys, nothing else. So, is the level of QA, LR is same as CET? I would say, yeah, somewhat same. Like last year, CET also was disastrous. I don't know what these guys are doing. वो भी एकदम अलग ही पेपर पैटर्न चेंज कर दिया था, बट इफ यू सी लास्ट ईयर दे आर देन इट सेम. और सीईटी तो लास्ट ईयर इससे भी कम लेवल का पूछा था. इट वाज दैट केस. लाइक कुछ भी पूछ रहे थे वो तो. But you be prepared for the worst case scenario, like what CET used to happen 2 or 3 years earlier. वैसे वाली prepared रहो. But currently focus more on CMAT. Abhishek, you're preparing for CMAT next year, as in you mean to say 2023. So it's good if you can start preparing from now only. Then start devoting only 1 or 2 hours a day, not more than that. Yes, Jayesh, I'm from JB. I've just started preparing. Should I appear for CMAT? Yeah, wherever you can, but obviously you can. in order to gain the experience, and you may never know, your percentile turns out to be good and you get into a good decent college or a good college as per your targets. Jay, sir, I was connected on LinkedIn. Okay, good. No, CMAT forms are not out yet, as far as I know. Yeah, I'm a BCom graduate. No, I don't know Marathi Manoj. Jayesh, my WhatsApp number. Guys, this is my number. I'll write it again. You can feel free to connect with me anytime. You can call me or ping me on WhatsApp. I'll address to your questions. जय सर जेबी के लिए सीमैट में कितने मार्क्स लाने हैं टारगेट सर जेबी के लिए ओके टारगेट it's 400 I would the safer bet would be 340 350 plus because GK is your make or break section Jayesh. All other three sections everyone would be able to score in it, that too good marks. So GK is only the deciding factor. Jovita, that depends on which colleges you are targeting. Some colleges require you to fill it before, like GIM and KJ Somaiya. But if you talk specifically about JV or SNM, they don't. Karan, it's what I would say, only because of the GK section, it is tougher than CET. Otherwise, it is not. जुनैद लॉजिक क्वांट्स जीके इंग्लिश सी लॉजिक एंड क्वांट्स तो ऐसा होना चाहिए तुम्हारा कि यू आर एबल टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विद 100% accuracy. That is the most advisable scenario because GK में it's not possible to address all of the questions and get all of the questions right. English में but obviously 100% accuracy मुश्किल ही है. Even I wasn't able to achieve it. तो फिर try achieving 100% accuracy of all the 25 questions in logic and quants. GK may attempt around 18-19 questions and English may out of 25 attempt 23-22 odd with around 90% accuracy. Because English may 100% accuracy I was not possible to achieve, but I don't know about you guys. Abhi, currently I'm in Mumbai only. So after registration, पहले registration हो जान दो वैभव, like that is the main important thing. But after you can say you have around 60-65 days in your hand. Most probably that's the scenario that used to happen. But इस साल का पता नहीं. I guess the questions are quite repetitive of what is being asked. Okay, Jovita, if you didn't understand about the college forms, CMAT is being accepted by several colleges. So it depends on college to college, like whether they require you to fill the form earlier or they accept it in the cap round only with CET. So you need to check it with the college itself or from the YouTube channel or get yourself guided by your professors or someone who will be helping you in CETing and ask them, does this college requires what to do? So that would be a better case scenario. And I guess the questions are repeated. If someone has any other doubt except for what I've discussed, please write it. Jayesh is सर जनरली सीमैट के लिए कितने मंथ्स में प्रिपेयर हो सकता है सर जनरली सीमैट के लिए ओके see for the three sections LR quants and LR quants and English it can be done 1.5 months if you have prepared for CAT and all the other exams as well. If not, then it requires around 2.5 months to do that as well, or maybe at max 3.5. But for GK, yes, it requires you to prepare start from earlier only, like around 4.5. But still, now the time is not that crucial. Like you don't have that limited number of months. You still, if you start preparing for GK from now onwards and you prepare it ardently, then but obviously you will be able to crack it. But be sure, like whatever you are preparing, you are quite adept with it and quite serious about it. And it's the time to start being serious about CMAT preparation. Like Jan तो उस time पे तो हो जाना चाहिए था. Like you should have been prepared with GK ka at least 30% of the portion, but it's okay. Like several people who start preparing in the start of Jan also, they are okay with it and they anyhow manage to do it. Shubham, any mistake which I had avoided during my your preparation? Yes, it happened last year. The same scenario had happened with we guys as well. Like there was a quite a lag in between. कि मतलब गवर्नमेंट ने एग्जाम थोड़ा डिले कर दिया था सी मैट का. सो बीच में प्रिपरेशन मैंने पूरी छोड़ दी थी. लाइक आई वाज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद द वे दे वर हैंडलिंग इट द थिंग्स. Because at the same time it was happening with CT as well. So वो एक break था which I repent now that I shouldn't have taken that break. That's the main thing. Like I guess somewhat the scenario would be the same this year as well. So what I recommend you guys is don't stop your preparation. Like if you're studying for around you can say 6 or 7 hours a day, at that time study for at least 1 or 2 hours a day, at least 2 or 3 hours a day. ऐसा ही नहीं कि जीरो कर देना. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट बिटवीन एक वीक या 1.5 week का वैसा टाइम हो गया था व्हेन आई कंप्लीटली लेफ्ट द कांटेक्ट विद माय स्टडीज. तो उसके बाद व्हेन आई गेट बैक टू स्टडीज इट बिकेम टू डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. लाइक जब सीमैट का हमारा कैसे हुआ था, द सीमैट हैपेंड अराउंड अराउंड 31st मार्च और समथिंग. एंड हम लोग को आई गेस 20 या 21st मार्च को इंटिमिडेशन आया था. लाइक आफ्टर 9 days यू हैव योर सीमैट एग्जाम. So at that time इतना hyper moment हो गया था. It was too difficult to get back to that mode of studying. So I repent that particular thing only. It is just because कि मैंने पहले वो थोड़ी prep की हुई थी, notes वोट्स बनाए हुए थे. So it was easy for me to recover. Otherwise for several people it was very difficult. And that is why people weren't able to score in CMAT. समरुद ऐसा कौन सा डोमिनेट रहता है? हाँ हाँ, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अरिथमेटिक अच्छे से कर लो. नंबर्स और जो से भी है ना, नंबर्स, प्रोबेबिलिटी, अलजेब्रा, उसके भी एकदम बेसिक बेसिक. नथिंग. सीमैट डजंट रिक्वायर यू टू have an in-depth knowledge just like CAT does or SAT does. Junaid, so sorry, I'm not sure of the forms thing. I have no idea about it. You need to get it confirmed from someone else. Okay, guys. Any other queries or anything? I guess not. You guys have my number. I'll just ping it once again in the group. Okay, someone wrote, जय सर सीमैट सीटी के कंपेयर से कितना हार्ड होता है? If you compare the rest of the 3 sections, it is on the similar lines, or I would say yeah, it is on the similar lines only. Only the GK is the differentiating factor. The S3 it is the same only. I didn't find anything vast difference. Like if you prepare for CMAT or if you prepare for CET, like CMAT comes first, but obviously. So if you prepare for CMAT, you are indirectly prepared for CET. It is just that in CET you need to work on your speed, nothing else. CMAT gives you the liberty of time, and CMAT is just because of GK वो थोड़ा tough हो जाता है और कुछ नहीं. Time for CMAT. Sorry, Junaid, I didn't understand your question. Like time for CMAT as in how many months are remaining for CMAT, or what are you asking? I'm in okay, Abhi is a new person. I'm in TY BCom. I would like to ask my doubts with respect to CET or CMAT. I guess I can connect with you better. Yeah, sure, Abhi, just get in touch with me. It would be advisable to drop a message first on WhatsApp because currently our schedule is also running a quite busy in JB. So just drop in a message on WhatsApp. Whenever I'll be free, I'll ping you to get us connected. Oh, Junaid, you have ample number of hours. Don't worry on it. I don't. The comedy factor, I don't remember what was the time because as far as I remember, in 2 hours I had completed the paper and I was sitting idle for around an hour or so more. So you have a lot of time. Don't worry about the time. That's why I'm telling don't solve the mocks as well. As in don't solve the mocks as in don't give mocks. I'm not saying that. But just like CAT or any other exam, don't completely rely on mocks. If you give only 4 or 5 marks, that is more than sufficient for CMAT. Just prepare more via daily test or something like that. And even if you have mocks lying in your portal, so just give the GK section if you want, or whichever is your weakest section. Like if your quants is your weaker section, then only gives the quant within the time frame and submit the test. टाइम का इशू ही नहीं है सीमैट में. I guess that's it, guys. Like, I'm not sure if anyone else has any other doubt. Guys, the final college की cap route fill करते समय कितने entrance exam के score mention कर सकते हैं? You can like CET is the primary one. You can add your CMAT, XAT, and CAT score. Atma and MAT weren't considered this year, but it depends on year to year. Like Atma and MAT, if you want to give it for the safer purpose, but I hadn't given because I personally didn't believe in that particular exam only, because there were several cases around that particular exam, so I wasn't sure like it would be accepted by JB or not. So I had my bets only on CMAT and CET, but it depends, varies from year to year. The next year they might accept this Atma and MAT scores. You're welcome, Vedant. There is nothing awesome in the session, because it's just that you can relate much better than me rather than a professor, because I was sitting on your particular chair only the last year. So, and guys, what I would recommend is be frank. Like, however you can be, even with the professors, and don't call me sir first of all, Jayesh. Be frank with professors or me or anyone who is your mentor, not mentor specifically, who is just guiding you, because you never know, one particular doubt can turn your reason for not getting into JB. So it's very important for every doubt of yours to be addressed. So that's the thing, and don't be shy in asking doubts. Yeah, what if दूसरे क्या कहेंगे? That shouldn't be the reason of you not asking the doubts. So just be frank, and you can connect with me anytime you want. If you have any doubts, like you're not able to consider any doubt currently and you have it later on, just connect with me over WhatsApp. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Because some of you might be the next person who I'll be the seniors to in the next year of my JB as well. So that may be the case, and then you'll be like, okay, yeah, I had attended your session, your workshop. So nothing else, guys, right? Okay, we'll end it over here. I don't think, and if anyone has any other query, please feel free to contact me later on. Over LinkedIn, you can connect me over WhatsApp or call me wherever you want. Just connect with me. Well, welcome, guys, and nothing to be thankful about. Bye bye. You guys can leave.
So if possible, you can attend our workshop at any of these locations. Fine. Or you can join us for the books, more shortcut, any. All the best.